What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Cameron Blois, and if you guys are new here, I enjoy my cars. I got a 2001 lifted Forester, and then I got a 04 STI sitting over there. Now, if you guys are new to this channel, do me a huge favor, subscribe. Let's grow this channel. I want to get to at least 500 subscribers in the next couple months at least. Obviously, if we can get bigger than that, let's do it. So today's video is kind of an update video. I did have plans to do stuff to the Forester today, but it didn't work out. I already started that video. I'll insert a little clip here. I already did it. But essentially what I wanted to do was put in a couple of quick connects to be able to take my light bar off the roof basket, so I could put our kayaks on top of the roof. I don't know if you guys can see them there. And I took apart some tape, or unraveled some tape, and noticed that I must have thought about it before I even bought kayaks. So that mod's already done. I went to go relocate my button for the light bar too, but there's 3 wires connected to it, and there's I'm not quite too sure what they all do, so I'm not gonna mess with that. I'm just gonna move it by gluing it somewhere else. Currently it's just flimsy sitting around there, so yeah. But today is gonna be a little bit of an update on this car and the channel a little bit. So now, I had this car out at the meet. You guys watched that quick little video of the meet. If you have not, I'm gonna put it here. I think it'll be, I can't remember, this side or this side. Yeah, I had it running. It was driving really nice. Even the last video before that, we fixed a couple issues, and I thought I had it good, but it turns out I do not. Now, I have ordered what I think is the problem. I ordered a new water pump and timing kit for the car. Since we're doing the water pump, we may as well do the timing kit. I ordered the ASIN kit, however you pronounce it. I ordered that. I was gonna order the gates because that's currently what's on it, but I've read some reviews on it and it's not the kit that you want to go for, I guess. Gates have recently changed over to the Chinese manufacturing, the Chinese bearings, etc., and they're not the greatest quality. And I was reading that the ASIN kit actually still makes the Japanese, I could be completely wrong and might not be saying this right. I don't have everything in front of me here, but I'm pretty sure they still manufacture in Japan. I guess the quality of the products is a lot better than the Chinese products that they make at Gates. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I have a few more parts and stuff coming for that car. It's just not here yet and we haven't done it. I do have an AOS that I want to put onto the car. I bought the Grimspeed air oil separator. Now, I've read that it's not the best air oil separator put on the car, but I figured since I already ordered it and I have it, let's try to make it work. Let's see if we can improve it by making it better. There is a couple of issues that I've read on, and one of the biggest ones is condensation built up inside the lines and getting into the oil. Now, that's obviously something we don't want, and because it feeds right on to the filler tube, there's I guess it kind of like films up, and it'll sit on top of your oil. So I figured, why not install it? Let's make a good review video. We'll do a few videos on it actually, because I'm going to do a video every oil change that I do, so that me and you guys can see what's wrong with the kit and if all the things that you read on the internet is true. So yeah, that's going to be videos in the future. I think after I get the timing kit done on that car, that's what we'll do. Now, I'm not going to do the timing kit myself because that is something I don't want to mess up. Last thing I want is to have a bigger build than what I got going right now. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, I have parts and stuff for this car as well, and currently it's just not the time, because if I mess something up on this car, then I have no car to get to work and stuff. So once the STI is running, we're gonna start doing some work to my Forester here. I got lower control arms to do, ball joints. I got wheel bearings that are sounding like they're starting to go on the rear end. So there's a lot of work to this car to be done, and we need to make sure it's all good and going and driving perfectly, because if you guys not have seen videos a while back now, I have a DIY teardrop trailer that we're going to be making. Because of COVID, the prices of lumber have gone up, so that whole project has gone on pause. But don't worry, it has not been forgotten. We're still gonna do it. I can't wait to start that because this thing towing a custom teardrop is gonna look absolutely amazing. I'm so excited to start that, but it's just not the time. So that is pretty much gonna be it for today's video. Like I said, if you guys are new to this channel and you guys are just watching this for the first time, or you've seen previous videos but you did not subscribe, I'm giving you guys a second chance because like there's so much content coming to this channel. I'm gonna try and make a video once a week. Now once the ideas of videos and parts come in, I can start filming more than once a week, but I want to make sure I get you guys content for at least once a week. I'm gonna try and twice a week, but I'm not gonna promise anything because last time I've promised, I've never delivered. So once a week for now. Once the ideas come in, parts come in, we can do twice a week, 3 times a week, 4 times a week, however much I can. I'm gonna get as much content out as possible for you guys, and I'm pumped. I want to get to 500 subscribers like as soon as I can, within at least the next couple months. I've gone up 30-40 subscribers in the past month, so I know it's definitely achievable. Anything's achievable if you put your mind to it. So let's get it, guys, and I can't wait for you guys to be on the journey of the 2 cars here. I have so much planned. So that is gonna be it for today's video. I know I haven't said this in a while. I'm gonna keep it up because I truly believe in it. So remember to be authentic.